Hello, my name is Harry. Well, you knew that before if you have seen my videos before. And this time I'm going to do something what I had done before. You had already seen that I have been fixing my boots, my sneakers and well, you know, my footwear. Because I do usually get myself and buy myself a very cheap boots, very cheap sneakers and shoes and well, you know, very cheap footwear. But the problem is that when you get yourself a cheap footwear, it usually happened like this. Cherry built work. And like this other boot, completely a cherry built work. Glue line here. This joint, seam, whatever you call it, is really a miserable cherry built work. Miserable glue, and very soon you happened like this. Well, now I just have to fix it by using a little bit of the glue which I bought. Cheap glue, and I have used this glue before, and let's take it out from a package. And like you knew it before, I do not usually advertise anything or anybody, and therefore I'm going to cover up this logo of the company who making this glue, manufacturing and making this glue with duct tape. A few rounds of duct tape around the glue tube to cover up the logo of the company who's going to making this glue. Okay, of course, if this company want to pay me money, if they wanted to pay me money, the offer you can make it is on a reasonable reconsideration. So if you want to pay me money, then I say the name of your company, that company that's making this glue. Okay, let's start working. First, I'm going to spread the glue around these. Damn it. Around this sole here and on this ground here. This is perfectly a very good condition. You can see it is not worn out. Everything is any other way perfectly very good condition, except the glue line here has been cracking down. So we take glue, we spread it here, then let's take some kind of the match rod, bar, whatever you call about it. They usually lie around on the ground, like here. Okay, here's the one. Yeah, and now I'm spreading this glue right here. Perfectly. And because this one is a contact glue, so you have to wait a little bit that it gets dry before you glue the item against where it should be going. That means opposite direction of the item. Same about here. Same thing around this other sole. A little bit of the glue on the both sides. And spread it with match. Got it on my finger a little bit. And on the other side. Yeah. This one was from the right foot boots, and now I just let it here dry a little bit. Then the left boot, the same thing. Of course, you might think about it that if you're going on to the shop and get yourself a new boots, you don't have to see all this trouble. But if you're interested to do something for the hobby, that's the one chance to do for it. Glue a little bit and then spreading it. And on the other side as well. This left boot was a little bit better condition than the right boot, because you can see the other sole here is still on the, on its location. So all I've got to do is to spread a glue here as well. And then spread it. Bloody miserable tube, because as you can see it starts leaking here, up here on the other corner. When I press it, it starts leaking here. So miserable kind of the work. It's leaking, and I'm going to use this glue for spreading it right here. Okay, now we are in the situation that the glue has been spread, so we have to wait a little bit, because this is the contact glue, so we have to wait a little bit that it gets dry, and then I just press it on and then it will be okay.